Now that we've placed our license and key and customized the configuration, it's time to build our custom Vault image. We'll run the Azure Packer build script specifying the component we want to build, in this case, Vault. This script automates the entire process. The script now invokes Packer, which begins the process of creating a temporary VM, running hardening scripts, and installing the Vault software based on our specifications. This process may take a while. Once complete, Packer will capture this configured VM as a new managed image in Azure, and then clean up all the temporary resources. The build has finished successfully. Packer has created the artifacts, and we can now see our new managed image named CyberArk Vault in the specified resource group within the Azure portal. This image is now ready to be used in a deployment. So to summarize, we have successfully deployed a controller VM, used it to configure and build a custom hardened Vault image using our own license and key, and stored that image in our Azure environment. With this custom image, along with the images for other PAM components, we can now move on to the next phase, deploying a full PAM self-hosted environment using these pre-configured secure images.